I pack a picnic basket. I pack a picnic basket. I carry the basket to the car. I carry the basket to the car. I drive to the local park. I drive the local park. I walk on the green grass. I walk on the green grass. I find a perfect sunny spot. I find a perfect sunny spot. I take out a large blanket. I take out a large blanket. I spread the blanket on the ground. I spread the blanket on the ground. I sit down on the blanket. I sit down on the blanket. I place the basket in front of me. I place the basket in front of me. I open the picnic basket. I open the picnic basket. I pull out some fresh bread. I pull out some fresh bread. I take out a cutting board. I take out a cutting board. I slice sandwiches with a knife. I slice sandwiches with a knife. I put the sandwiches on a plate. I put the sandwiches on a plate. I unpack a box of strawberries. I unpack a box of strawberries. I wash the berries with water. I wash the berries with water. I pour lemonade into a cup. I pour lemonade into a cup. I add ice to my drink. I add ice to my drink. I take a bite of my sandwich. I take a bite of my sandwich. I chew the food slowly. I chew the food slowly. I sip the cold lemonade. I sip the cold lemonade. I enjoy the sweet taste. I enjoy the sweet taste. I listen to the singing birds. I listen the singing birds. I feel the warm breeze. I feel the warm breeze. I watch a flying butterfly. I watch a flying butterfly. I read an interesting book. I read an interesting book. I lie down on my back. I lie down on my back. I look at the blue sky. I look at the blue sky. I feel completely relaxed. I feel completely relaxed.